Here at the U.S. Cellular Center in Asheville, North Carolina, the fourth and final game of our opening day of this 2018 Southern Conference Women's Tournament. The sixth-seeded UNCG Spartans against the number 3 Chattanooga Mocs.
Now, if it seems hard to remember the last time Chattanooga lost a game in this building, you're not alone. They've won 5 straight tournament titles and are as hungry as ever for a 6th.
Just a heavyweight battle here in the nightcap on day number 1.
This is trading body blows right now, and this is going to be a game of stamina.
1-point game, Chattanooga a chance to give us our 4th lead change of the night, and they will on the feed to Whitaker, who lays it up and in. It gives away to Twitty, drives inside and banks it home, and back in front go the Spartans. 5 seconds to go. Burns gonna penetrate and banks it and rolls it and gets it in to tie the game. And we will head to overtime. Burns on a similar play as last time, banks it home. A whistle, foul is called. Here is Willie, 2 seconds, 1 second heave from midcourt for the win, and we're headed to a second overtime period. And she'll knock down the tray, so another three-pointer, launching another long one and draining. She'll fire from the right side, and Brandy Fear.
The official on his side right now. There's Burns with yet another three-pointer. This time, not enough.
And that will do it. So Burns takes the final long-range shot for Chattanooga, and UNCG celebrating a SoCon tourney win for the 2nd year in a row.